Do you have any idea how you're going to write this? Want some help? Do you know what interpreting a prompt is? Okay, I'll explain. When you interpret a prompt, you are simply examining it to make sure you understand what your professor wants in a paper. Make sense? Good, so let's start. First, you should read the prompt over a couple of times to familiarize yourself with it. Once you've done that, you should note the due date and submission rules, as well as formatting rules. These are the same no matter how you decide to answer the prompt, so they're important to know before you do anything else. Next, it's important to note what subject you'll be writing your paper on. On this prompt, it says you'll have to deal with Chapter 17 of Hobbes's Leviathan. Now that you've noted these things, you can really start interpreting. The first thing you want to do is look for key instruction words. These are commonly words like explain, compare, contrast, and analyze. Sometimes you'll have more than one task in a paper, so make sure you look at every instruction. That looks about right. How you proceed from this point is mostly personal preference. Do you want to try a few different methods out to see what you like best? Very well. Some people find it helpful to write a task list based on the instructions they noted on the prompt. The task list just makes it easier to keep track of what you have to do. Try listing the instructions for this assignment. Good job. Listing instructions is often helpful, but there is one more method I'd like to show you. It's called a web. A web is a good way to visualize how you will answer a prompt. To draw one, you make an oval in the middle that contains your central idea. Then you draw lines connecting smaller circles to the central circle. These smaller circles contain evidence or examples that support your central idea. Good, it looks like you get the idea. Do you understand the assignment better now? Good, do you understand why it's important to interpret your prompts carefully? Good. If you do this for every assignment, you'll see good results and feel better about your papers. One more thing, if you need help at any point in the writing process, visit your college's Writing Center. Here at Dickinson, the Writing Center is located on the first floor of the library. They can really help you with anything you need. Now get working.